How to get the Coursera courses with certificate for free in 2024 without applying for financial aid by paying nothing, absolutely for free. So in this video, I will show you the most unique trick by which you can audit the course and you will also receive a certificate. First, you need to create a new Coursera account on Gmail. Here you can see if I will enroll through financial aid, still I will receive only 90% off because Coursera has changed their terms and conditions for financial aid. So here we will directly audit the course for free. You might be thinking that by auditing the course we will not receive the certificate, but in the next steps we are going to do something that will help you to get the certificate as well. So without skipping, watch this video till the end. Once you will audit the course, I will suggest you to complete all the course modules, watch videos, complete lessons and all that things. But here if you try to submit assignments, it will show you to upgrade your subscription to submit assignments. But we don't need to do that. Once you will complete all the modules and you should only have assignments left to complete the course. Even if it takes 5 weeks or months to complete the course without assignments, do that. Then go to the home page and click on Coursera Plus. You can see that Coursera Plus is charging a lot of money, but you don't need to pay anything. You just need to start a free trial. You will get a free trial for 7 days through any card number. Your card will not be charged anything. Just submit your or any random card details and directly you will get the notification that you got Coursera Plus. So you have 7 days until your free trial will expire. That's why I told you to complete the modules first, because it's not possible to complete the modules and assignments within 7 days. When you have only assignments pending, then start the free trial and submit all the assignments at once. And your assignments will be reviewed within 24 hours. Once your assignments are approved, you will get the certificate immediately. After getting the certificate, cancel your free trial, or if you can complete any other course within 7 days, do that as well. Then cancel your free trial, create a new account and repeat the same process if you want to do any other courses. In this way, you can get the Coursera courses for free with certificate. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more useful content. Thanks for watching.